Hello, All Stars. Today is Tuesday, October 12th. Let's check our card and find out what's on our calendar for the day. We saw pumpkins yesterday. Oh my goodness. What will we see today on our calendar for the 12th? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, wait a minute. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pumpkins, and we have some zucchini. Oh my goodness! Wow! I see a math tree opportunity. I see 1 plus 6 equals 7. Oh my goodness! Maybe we can add that to our information. Yeah, we've been keeping track of a lot of things. So let's add this to our information. We're going to put, we had the total number of 7, but we had 1 zucchini and 6 pumpkins. So maybe we can make a math story out of it. In our garden, we saw 1 zucchini and 6 pumpkins. How many do we have all together? Now let's write our math fact. Can you think of what math fact that we can put, what math equation using our number tree? I wonder. Did I just hear you say something? I think we can do it using our number tree. I heard it. I heard you say it. Can we use these numbers that are already on our number tree? Could we write 1 plus 6 equals 7? Oh my goodness. Fantastic, All Stars. That was great work. Great detective work. Let's continue to go through our number corner activities. Let's check off our days in school. We're going to add another day to our chart. So adding another day. Wow, we have a lot. We have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh my goodness. Let's take care of this information on our chart. But today, I'm going to challenge you with something, All Stars. If it's the 28th day of school, I'm going to put 28 here. And we have 2 groups of 10 and 8 ones. Here is your job, All Stars. One of the things I want you to do in Number Corner now, grab a piece of paper, grab a pencil. I want you to think of math facts that you know that equal the number 28. I'll start off one. I am thinking I could put 20 plus 8. 20 plus 8 equals that big number 28. I want you to write down at least 3 math facts that equal the number 28. How can you show with math equations, math facts, 3 ways to make the number 28? I can't wait to see your work. All right, we have a few more things to do on our number corner area for the day. I want to introduce something new to you, and I think you'll really, really enjoy it. We have these symbols here. We have this symbol, which we call the greater than symbol, and it looks like a sideways V that's been tipped over a little bit. Greater than. And here's an example, greater than. Excuse me, right here. 8, your 8 blocks, is greater than 6. Is that true? Which number is bigger, 8 or 6? Ah, you are correct if you said 8 is greater than 6. You're right. Then we also have this symbol down here called less than. Now, it looks like a sideways V also, but if you look at it carefully, it looks like a sideways L. L for less than. Less than. Less than means it's smaller. So this card says 5 is less than 6. Is that true? Let's see. If I had 5 and I had 6, which one is the smaller number? 5 is less than 6. All stars, I want to challenge you even more. We have a lot of numbers on our information chart today. I want you to count with me. Can we count starting at the number 11 and go all the way to the number 39? Here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We're missing a number. What would that number be? 20. Yes, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 days in school. 29. Number missing. What do you think it is? 30. Yes. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. What would come after 39? Did you say 40? You are correct. I want to challenge you right now. I want you, and we'll just start off with the greater than. Can you think of a number that may be greater than another number? What if I said, what if I put that 21 is greater than, what is 21 greater than? So that means I really have to think about the numbers that may be smaller than 21. Let's look at our chart over here. We had a lot of numbers. 15. 21 is greater than 15. Can you think of two numbers and which one is greater than the other? Maybe you can think of more. Have fun practicing those numbers. Have a great day, All Stars.